Hello, I'm Giacomo Bottà from University of the Arts Helsinki. I'm an interdisciplinary researcher in urban and cultural studies, and I'm here to talk about my role within the project Diversity of Music Heritage in Finland. I have two main case studies in my project. One is based in Helsinki and one is based in Kaustinen, where I am right now. In Helsinki, I'm looking at intangible cultural heritage in the context of the electronic music scene and clubbing. There you have a kind of heritage which is on one hand based on the awareness that like techno and house music are originating from cities like Chicago and Detroit and in the black communities of those cities. On the other hand, you have of course a much more locally embedded, or we can call it glocal, of course, heritage which lives and it is transmitted within a particular scene. And it is about practices, it's of course about sounds, and it is about certain kind of aesthetics, which of course travel across scenes around the world, but then are localized. And what is interesting to me is that this kind of heritage is very much for the benefit of the scene itself and is somehow kept secret, so to say. And it, of course, materializes itself only sporadically and temporarily. My second case study, as mentioned, is about Kaustinen, and in this case, the heritage is seen as a value for the whole of society, for a whole community. So right now, the Kaustinen Folk Music Festival is ongoing, and it is clear how this festival kind of occupies, amplifies, and enhances space through heritage. So heritage becomes something which basically you see at the festival, and you start also noticing outside the festival premises. So in this case, heritage is not secret, so to say, but it's something which is communicated and celebrated for the benefit of the whole of society. So basically what I want to do is to understand how to these two cases which are so different. One is very urban, very secret, the other is pretty rural but very public. So what can I learn from like comparing these two cases and working on both of them?